Today I'm going to teach you how to create a Gumtree account. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or browse listings in your local area, having a Gumtree account makes the entire process much smoother and more organized. Let's walk through the setup together. First, open your web browser and head over to Gumtree.com. This will bring you to the Gumtree homepage where you can explore all the categories and listings available. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll find the navigation menu. Look for the Sign Up button and click on it. This is where you'll begin creating your new account. After clicking Sign Up, you'll be presented with several options for creating your account. You can choose to continue with Gmail, Apple, Facebook, or email. Each of these options allows you to sign up quickly using existing accounts you might already have. For this example, we're going to click on Continue with Email. This option gives you full control over setting up your account from scratch. Once you select Continue with Email, a form will appear asking for some basic information. Start by inputting your first name and last name in the designated fields. Make sure you enter these correctly as they'll be associated with your Gumtree profile. Right below that, you'll see a field for your email address. Type in the email you want to use for this account. This email will be your primary way of logging in and receiving notifications about your listings and messages. Next up is creating your password. Choose something secure but memorable. A strong password typically includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters to keep your account safe. Enter your chosen password in the password field provided. Once you've filled in all the required information, your first name, last name, email address, and password, click the Continue button. This will submit your details and create your Gumtree account. The system might take a moment to process everything, so just wait while it sets up your new account. And that's it. You now have a fully functional Gumtree account ready to use. You can start browsing listings, posting your own items for sale, or connecting with buyers and sellers in your area. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.